Did you know that you can seem perfectly fine on the outside, but feel like you're constantly letting others down on the inside? High functioning depression is sneaky. You might be killing it at work or school, but still feel like you're drowning. Let's break it down. First, start by recognizing your patterns. Journaling your feelings can help spot triggers. Second, set realistic goals. It's okay to not always meet everyone's expectations. Third, make time for self care. Even short breaks can make a difference. Remember, it's crucial to talk to someone you trust. Professional help can guide you through this. For more detailed steps on managing high functioning depression, click the link in my bio. Please comment if this resonates with you or if you need support.